Hello, this is Nevis. I'm in as a student in the Google Classroom. I'm in the course English Conversation for 1A, 1E. This week we started the workbook for the classroom, which is going to be our workbook for the whole of the course that we're going to, at the end, then turn into our own little PDF file and be able to look at it and share it with our other classmates as well. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the stream where we find the assignment. Open the assignment. Now you can read the instructions either on that stream page or here as well. So the instructions are everywhere for you to read. As I mentioned in a previous video, at this point you will be able to see any comments made by the teacher, and the teacher has said that it's not done yet. Now, because this is going to be an ongoing assignment, meaning that there is no submission date for the moment, it will be submitted on the final day of the course, actually the final week, probably not the final day. So what will happen is you will see a constant message by the teacher who's coming in to check the work and will write a comment about what has been done so far. So it'll be dated and we'll have a running tally of what's been happening for each student. Now at this point I don't need to do anything here and I don't need to do anything here. It's already got my name on it, so I don't need to submit it until the teacher will tell me when to submit it. I'm going to click on the document, it'll open it up, and we're going to look at the parts that were a little bit difficult for some of the students. We are talking first year high school. Just move this over here. Okay, so this is the class workbook. What you need to do first off is you don't need to remove anything. What you have to do is write your name. So this is my workbook. Okay, and I'm in class, I'll just say 1A for the moment. It's actually 1A, 1E, but you just write the class that you belong to. And then there's some instructions here, how to use the workbook. Let's go to the diary, and here is the diary. Now I've already made some entries for you, so what I need you to do is to go to this link. Now I've already done this, but let's remove it, and what we need to do here is we need to link it to the About Me page. So I need to go to my Google Drive and find the About Me page and add it here. Now because I want to hyperlink About Me, I don't want to remove About Me, I just want to hyperlink it. I open up this icon here, the link, and it'll tell me whether I want to do something from the actual document that I'm looking at, but I don't want that. This is ready. Let's go to the Google Drive, and there it is there. There's the About Me fact sheet that I want to link. There's two ways of doing this. I can either just open up, and this is where I can get the link quite easily. Just do that and copy the link. That's how easy it is. Go back to the class workbook, Control V or paste, and there it is. Now if I actually click on that, it will open up that About Me page. Now don't look at mine, mine's not filled in, but yours will be filled in. Okay, so that's perfect. It's taking me to the correct page. So I'm going to close that. Don't need that page open. So then let's go on to the next link. And again, we're going to do exactly the same thing. Now I've highlighted it, add the link here. I'm just going to remove, this is how to remove the highlight, and I don't want any highlight in there. Toolbar, highlighter, no highlight, and it's gone. So now we just want to add the link in here, or you can also add the link in everywhere. Again, use the hyperlink tool to add the link. And we need to find that Google document. So I'm going to go into the English folder, and I don't have that document because I don't think I ever made it. So I'm just going to make one now. But you will have already had this. And it's going to be called the classwork. Now all I've done now is refresh the page to find the classwork. There it is there. Now I can do the same as I did before and get the link over here, or I can go back to the document and get the link up here. And I just want a shareable link. Copy the link, done. Go back to the document, paste, apply, and that's it. And there's the link. And if I click on it, it'll take me to the classwork document. That's how easy it is. Okay, so going out of that one, let's go back here. Okay, so next thing we want to do is the My Job interview and add the link to the assignment and your document. Now this is a little bit more complex because here I didn't say links, but we want 2 links, not just one. So I've just corrected that on mine, but you don't have to. Now we need to add the link to the assignment and the link to the document. So now we want to go and get the link to this document, and we know that it's in the Google Drive. Again, let's use the hyperlink tool, and this is where we're going to put the link. Let's go over to our Google Drive, and this is the document there, My Job Interview. Again, all we want to do is just share, get a link, copy the link, close it, go back, and paste the link, and there it is. And if we click on that link, test always the link, test your link always, and there it's gone. It's gone into the job interview. Perfect. Okay, so next is the assignment. So this one here, we want the link to the assignment. So how do we get that? Seems difficult, doesn't it? But it's not really that difficult. So we're going to go back, and let's go to the stream of our course. And if we go down, and this is the workbook, if we open this up here, it actually gives us a link. So we're going to copy that link, go over to here, we're going to open up the hyperlink tool, again, paste, and there it is. Now I have 2 links here. Now if I go here and click on the link, it will take me to the Google Classroom and to that particular assignment. That's how easy it is. Okay, so let's go over that again. About Me goes to your Google Drive document, the one that's about you, the fact sheet. Here, you can either hyperlink the whole text or just hyperlink the word link and add the link to the textbook activity that we did in class. And the next one is asking for 2 links. I did forget, write the text in red so that you know that that is missing on yours. And it's actually asking for 2 links. So the link to the assignment and the link to the document. The document again is the document in your Google Drive, and there are the documents that have to do with this class. They are all in that English conversation folder that is already in your drive. If you click on the left here, you'll see, if you click on Classroom, it'll show the courses that you're enrolled in and the folders that are associated with the classroom. And if you click on, we're on English Conversation 1A, 1E, And they're the documents that we have so far, that everybody should have so far. That's how easy it is. Then just let's look at this one again. We want the link to this assignment. So we get the link by going to the stream, go down to the assignment, find it. There's a hamburger menu, 3 dots, one on top of the other. Click on it once, and there's the link. Copy the link. That's how easy it is. It's telling me the link has been copied. Go back over to my workbook, and I add the link in to the assignment. That's how easy it is. Next, let's go down. From the next class, what we'll be doing is adding all our textbook activities into each page. So far, there's only 3 pages, and each page will be for one specific day of activities. So every day that we come into class and we start up, we will start a new page. And all you need to do is you can either copy all those, just like this, copy, insert a page, go down a little bit, right click, paste. Okay, so now I've copied it. Now I'd like to be able to see the navigation panel here on the left. What I want to do is find where my navigation is, and it's in Italian here, so that's what's making it difficult for me. Not probably for you. And what I want is this. This is the navigation or the outline of the document. In Italian, it's called struttura. So if I click on that, here it is here on the left. This is going to make it much easier for me to be able to go to certain sections of the text. So I can actually avoid copying this one again, textbook activities maybe. And there we go. And if I go back to this one, I can put the date. Just let me put any date for the moment. I'll put today's date. And then here I'll just write page 70, exercise 1 to 6. And then in the class notes, that hasn't been, so let's do the class notes as a heading as well, and underneath I'll be writing exercise 1 and whatever that was. Okay, and then any other class notes you can just write them in here. That's how easy it is. You don't have to do anything else, and every time you can just copy and paste down. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Here all you have to do is copy that, copy, insert a break, paste, and there we go. Every time you'll be able to see them here. As we go on, we'll be adding more and more pages. We'll be adding other headings. You'll find that all the headings have already been created for you, and they'll be the same for everybody. And it's important that everybody's notebook or class workbook looks identical so that we are all on the same page. Hopefully that was helpful. Remember, we will be doing this in class continuously. We will be working through all these activities in the classroom, in the language lab, all together. And if at any time there are any problems, we will go over them again. So that takes us to the end. Thank you for listening. See you in class.